Hello everyone, welcome to Can Coffee. Here we have a Saeco Aroma espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because the shower screen, as you can see over here, pretty much broke. Let me see if we can focus a little bit. You can definitely see that it broke. Kind of like this one away, almost to the point of being like that. Now this one was not disassembled from the group, and it just basically needed a tune-up. We just replaced the shower screen, replace the gasket as well, and give it a good clean inside the machine, and the machine is working perfectly fine. So now let's steamer and looking all the way. As you can see, really powerful, working really well. And now we gotta do a shot of espresso. We gotta make sure to cool down the machine, otherwise it's gonna be too hot for the espresso and it's just gonna burn it. Let's make sure there's no steam coming out of the water, and now it should be perfectly fine. Okay, so now we can do a shot. I hope I got the portion correctly, since I got the grind. The portion is a little bit more trickier. As you can see, this is the other shot from the espresso that I made. So let's see if I actually made it properly. Good flow. Might need to be a little bit finer, but I really don't want to push these machines. These machines are not that powerful, let's say. So but really good shot of espresso. We can see the crema and different layers. The machine is working perfectly fine. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.